Oh, my dear God, I forgot to do the Scorpio reading, and I'm sure some of you are definitely going to say bad words to me. I don't know why. I don't know how I forgot this reading. So I'm doing it right now. I'm really sorry, honey. It's not like I deliberately do that. Yeah, actually, I don't have any reason, so I should not make any excuse. Anyway, so let's start Scorpio. This is a reading. This is a journal, a reading for Scorpio from 24th till the 30th of March. Roles can be reversed also, not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? You can check out the description box. You'll find the links below for the. Anyways, let's see. Best selling modality of the universe. Ho'oponopono masterclass link is given below. So let's start. Scorpio, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are we have the five of cups. There's a sense of disappointment here. There's a sense of regret and or guilt, but most important, there's a sense of disappointment over the situation, right? Let's clarify the five of cups. Mhm. This person is not able to see the positives of the situation even if they're trying their best to. We have the nine of pentacles, the eight of swords, the seven of swords. That's why what is happening here is this person is kind of feeling like they should remain independent, they should remain detached from the situation because they feel that there is something hidden in the situation that even if they're trying their best to get to know, it's not they are not able to get it. So their intuition is telling them actually that you're not completely single, you have other people, other situation, other things going on in your life that you are not telling them, and or the vice versa. They are disappointed because they have something else going on in their life that they feel like they can't reveal to you, but at the same time they feel like they should just show you that they're single and available and whatnot. My goodness, it's a very very complicated energy. Eight of swords, seven of swords, five of cups, not at all a good energy, but this person is trying their best to stand still. Disappointed, hurt, can't stop overthinking. They feel you are hiding something big from them, and intuitively they feel like they know about it. And that is why they are getting more disappointed. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Scorpio? Ten of Swords. So, from your side, you feel like the worst is over. Although it's still painful, you are feeling like there's light at the end of the tunnel and everything is going to be fine. Let's clarify the Ten of Swords here. We have the Page of Swords, the Lovers, the Two of Swords. What is happening? What? So you're just feeling like you should detach yourself from the idea of being with somebody that you're very attracted to because you're not sure what's going to happen next, or because you are not able to like reach that point, reach that person, reach that connection the way you want. But still you're hopeful and positive that someday, even if it is the worst kind of energy that you're going through right now, you're still positive and hopeful that someday everything is going to be crystal clear and everything is going to be fine. Yeah, for sure. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Wow. Someone is pretending to be okay, but they are a whole mess. They are a whole mess right now. Ace of Swords, they want clarity. They want answers, they want clarity, they want the truth for what it is and how it is. Nothing less than that, nothing more than that. Everything should be crystal clear in front of them. Let's clarify the Ace of Swords. We have the Nine of Wands, the Empress, and the Page of Pentacles. See, no matter how hurt they are right now, no matter how much they have their guards up, they want to have the clarity and understanding of what's going on, so that they can decide to move forward with or without you in their life in the next step, in the new direction. It's like this person wants the answers to all of their questions so that they can decide what they should do, but still they don't want to detach from you 1,000%, like 100%, like complete detachment. No, they still want to remain connected somehow, but with this clarity they want to understand whether this situation, whether you and them still have a potential, or is this gone, or is this done. Okay, it's a very complicated situation where, let me tell you the cards again. Seven of Swords, Eight of Swords, Nine of Wands, Two of Swords, Ten of Swords, Five of Cups. These are all negative cards, super negative cards according to tarot. Okay, and these are all telling me this is a very messy and complicated situation. So one of you is still hopeful and positive that everything is fine, going to be fine some fine day. Other person is kind of going through a lot internally, and they're trying to figure out a way to get out of that. Hmm? Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, honey? You have the Magician. So from your side, you just want to manifest something here. Manifest a fresh direction or fresh initiative or fresh something. Let's clarify the Magician here. We have the Moon card, the Page of Cups, the Knight of Cups. Yes, you are manifesting this energy of letting go of all the limitations and blockages, insecurities, and fears from your love and relationship area. You just want to open up fully. You just want to be vulnerable. You just want to fall in love, and you just want to be in love without any kind of fear. You are manifesting this kind of love where everything is beautiful, everything is loving, caring, nurturing. You are open, the other person is open, and you guys are creating a very beautiful base for your future. So you want to manifest a very beautiful relationship where there is no fear, no obstacles, no challenges, no conditioning, no limiting beliefs. Very good. That's exactly how you do it. Yeah, honey. Let's see what's coming forward towards you till the 30th of March, honey. Sun card. Okay, it's like the happiest card in the deck. Okay, let me clarify the Sun card here. What kind of clarity you are getting? It's like crystal clear clarity about something or someone. There's no more doubt, there's no more confusion in a particular situation. Let's clarify the Sun. We have the Six of Wands, the King of Cups, the Death card. Perfect. So you will be able to understand whether a particular person or situation is meant for you or not. Either way, whatever decision you are going to take or whatever clarity you are going to get, you are going to start a new chapter with this kind of energy of let me make this successful and victorious. For most of you, I do see you taking this initiative of putting yourself first and going in a direction where you are going to have your personal growth, personal success, and personal victory with or without a person that you are stuck on emotionally. Now, you are definitely going to get the clear cut understanding and picture of if this person is good for you or not. Scorpio, this is your card only. And there's like between this success and victory, between this death card, there's love, emotional stability. So you are going to get all the answers of your questions. You will be able to understand what's good for you, what's not good for you. And then from that point onwards, you are going to start a new chapter with or without this person. For most of you, without this person, because you are going to understand this person, this energy is not good for you or meant for you, at least for the time being. Yeah, but you are going to be super happy, you are going to be super clear, you are going to find the path, find the way to move ahead in your life, and it's going to make you feel like finally relieved and happy. Yeah, for you the guidance is devil. So whenever we start a brand new chapter in our life, it's mandatory. It's like the universe take our test. The universe is definitely going to put you through some kind of obstacles or challenges in which you are going to be tested if you're going to go back to the same shitty kind of energies, if you are going to do something different this time with the same kind of circumstances, or you are going to repeat the same cycle again and again and again until you're going to get the lesson. Yeah, so that's the deal here. So whatever you are going to do, please beware of this kind of energy that the universe is going to test you. So something is going to pull you back, maybe something or someone will try to pull you back into something that's not good for you actually. But if you're going to pass the test, boom, you are going to have a very beautiful future ahead of you. But if you're going to fail, you have to repeat the same cycle again and again and again till you're going to get it. No matter even if you're going to be 90, doesn't matter. Yeah, so yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Scorpio. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.